Get second half. Alright, DJ. Let's do this now. One time, say. The two contestants, they don't shake. Wanna shake again? Wanna shake again? Yeah. Highlife battle. Highlife battle. Highlife battle. Highlife battle. Wish. Alright, CJ, let me hear you now. Legit Strings. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Ceejay swings. Ceejay don't lead them now. I talk about Ceejay Entertainment. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's listen to Legit Swings. Legit Swings, Legit Swings. Hey, listen up one time. This is what last more. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're still on doing these ones. Wait, beats, hey. Don't forget to say this highlight battle, highlight battle, highlight battle. Alright, now listen to me. Only one big CJ. Let me hear you now. CJ, CJ. Listen to me, listen to me. Nothing concern big man, concern rainy season. Only the poor we understand. Now poor man the receive rainy season, big man don't get time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Ceejay, you are really doing well, you are really doing well. But ladies and gentlemen, let's just hear Legit. Let's see here Legit. Let me see here Legit. Legit Strings. Legit well and here. Legit well and here. Alright, if you love Ceejay, let me hear you say Ceejay. We wanna hear you. Everybody say Ceejay. We wanna hear. Hey, everybody say Ceejay. We wanna hear you. Everybody say. Alright, Ceejay, let me hear you now. I see celebrity manager. And listen to what's up, ladies and gentlemen. And don't forget, like I said before, for those of you who don't know, say, hey, this is Highlife battle. It's a Highlife battle. Edition 2. Second episode between Ceejay alongside Legit Strings. Around the one shot, big sideways. Legit Strings, let me hear you now. Let me hear you. Listen up. Alright, DJ, you get what's in observe for here. If I say this beat 2 days small, this beat 2 days cheap. Eh? If I say this beat, 1 or 2 just a get up. I want 10 beats, no verse. I want 10 beats. I want 10 beats. You don't hear me? I want 10 beats. I want 10 beats, but before I go change them,
now so
before I go change them, when I go play last one now. Listen to me. Ceejay will play one. Legit will play one. I change beats because I don't understand. When I just get them completely, no mistake. No mistake. When I just get them, no single mistake. So DJ, you will help me. I'm going to change this sound after this one. And Ceejay, let me hear you now. Let me hear you now. Let me hear you now. Listen on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you love Legit, let me hear you now. Everybody say Legit, we wanna hear you. Let's go. A very nice one. And ladies and gentlemen, let me hear you say Ceejay, we want to hear you. Everybody say C. Once I say Ceejay, we want to hear you. Everybody say Ceejay, give her. Listen to me, let me hear you say. Hey, listen. If you love CJ, let me hear you say CJ. Say CJ. And one time, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to Legit now. Legit Strings. Sure. I want to hear you now. Listen to me. If you are here and you are not vibing with us, sorry, you are missing. If you love Legit, anything white talk out. Anything white talk out. If you love Legit, anything white talk out. Shut Legit. Shut Legit. Shut Legit. Shut Legit. Shut Legit. Oh, one time. And let me hear you now, CJ. Hold on small. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, hey, listen up. Don't forget what I said before. Listen up one time, big time wish. And this is Highlife battle. It's a Highlife battle. We see between these now. We see between these other big one time wish. Between CJ Swings Entertainment. Alongside Legit Swing. Legit, let me hear you. Wait. don't hear you. I don't hear you. I don't hear you. Somebody shout, legit, you get book my matter. Say legit, you not go kill me. Hey, listen now, listen now, listen now, listen now. Ceejay, let me hear you. Ceejay, let me hear you. Watch here. Now highlight battle, now highlight battle, now highlight battle.
Oh, Christiana.
Listen to me, 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 listen to me. If you don't enjoy the vibe, if you don't enjoy the vibe, somebody, if you don't enjoy the vibe, say, arara, arara, I know they hear you, arara. If you don't enjoy the vibe, somebody shout Ceejay. If you don't enjoy the vibe, somebody shout legit. Legit, let me hear you now. Give me the sound, walk away. want to hear you. Say legit to not go kill me. Oh, water. I'm going to do this one for legit. Let me do this one to teach. This one for legit. This one for legit. Say legit. We wanna party. Everybody say. But don't be a monakanda, the highlight battle. The highlight battle. And don't forget to follow up. Don't forget to follow up. Once here. CJ. I'm over here you. They wanna hear you. They wanna vibe. They wanna hear you. CJ. They wanna vibe. They wanna hear you. CJ. They wanna vibe. They wanna vibe. Once here. CJ. Once here. CJ. Once here. CJ. Once here. CJ. Hey, listen up. Hey, somebody, if you don't enjoy them, let me hear you say battle, say battle, say battle, say battle, say battle. Highlight battle. CJ Entertainment alongside Legit Strings. Hey, Petro Keys. Statistics. Superstar DJ SS. We are here. Legit, let me hear you. you say I dey enjoy them. I know they hear you. I know they hear you. Somebody say high life. Let me hear you say high life. What you say? Alright, listen up, listen up. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I got MC Smile, MC Smile. And don't forget, this is show. Highlife Battle, episode 2. Episode 2. MC Smile is in the house. MC Smile is in the house. Alright, and ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome All-Time Finance. All-Time Finance, comical, strategical, international, big time West, MC Smile. Hey, MC Smile.
Easy. Engineer, we volume. Yo, video, every my audio na my phone. Kono corona kilani. Bad. Engineer, let me hear myself. Alright, to my lovers, I greet you now. Newem Nandemwe, Ekele Mono. SS. Bring it down my blood. Oh man, we didn't stop this challenge. Please, a round of applause for one man that is raising this energy button. No, please. Put a clap for the person they play bass. Pedro. Right. Akana Socho. Listen. See, the challenge don't they take a different shape. You know, that time when they raise the guitar, you kept pressing with them. Who do that thing? Come on, what we're gonna say to my motherfucking business today? So blood, you chop knock. Now, if your phone is above 300,000, bring a match on the camera. Show, don't start. Make sure you're drinking something that is happiness and alcohol. Okay. SS, they perform. When your saxophonist, you know perform today. I mean, there's a video. I beg, when this video go online now, only 2 persons go chop praise. Chop glory. That person is legit. And CJ. Oh, I'm not going to remember shaking now. So gentlemen. So right now, let's make it look like something more spiritual, something more energetic, and something is going to be happening different. So to my brother and my brother, hype man with energy, hype man with steez. Bro, let me say this in the presence of your people. Come close. They will want them up here. This boy want them monkey. That's one. Now let me tell you what I love about you. It's not about the noise. You're a clean man with a clean spirit. Any man who keep himself clean deserves some head. Amen. Go inside. Sure does that. So ladies and gentlemen, this is where we begin officially from the side B. Don't get it twisted, smell is here now. Come on to my blood and my DJ. Also brilliant. So introducing. On my left hand side we have the musically talented, intellectual magic finger. A man that can win your soul and win your girlfriend through his strings. People call him legit, but I don't know what you call him, but whatever you call him, legit. Before we begin, say something. Before we begin, shaking our glory. Smile. Introduction. Get me closer. By my right hand side, Imo State finest. Nigeria's best. They call him CJ of the Most High, but we call him CJ Strings. Baba, gentlemen, get one more. We are receiving the power of different energy.
Lua, Krobi one Lua.
Emi Pedro.
Obi one
It is time to play abstract. Stay side, stay side. Ladies and gentlemen, abstract, 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 they call him legit. Ladies and gentlemen, somebody say another one. Somebody say another pressure. Say another talent. Wisdom man. So the CJ, come on. On your win. Look at what we have here. CJ. Winning my team. Oh yeah, it's time to play abstract now. Raise up, raise up, raise up, raise up. Oh yeah, me ha. Okay, leave it like that, leave it like that, leave it like that. Gentlemen, I add your solo now. Bianzo. Under this solo, no voice. Just guitar against. You go yab and me go yab you back. Guitar against. Talk to them. That one enter. Osisha. Are you enjoying the vibe? Are you enjoying the vibe? Are you enjoying the vibe? Aya, let's raise it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we begin officially from the side B. Look at the twisted smell is there now. Come on, to my blood and my blood and my blood and my DJ. Also brilliant. So introducing. On my left hand side we have the musically talented, intellectual magic finger. A man that can win your soul and win your girlfriend through his dreams. People call him legit, but I don't know what you call him, but whatever you call him, legit. Before we begin, say something. Before we begin, no, taking our glory. Introduction. Get me closer. On my right hand side, Imo State finest. Nigeria's best. They call him Ceejay of the Most High. Or we call him Ceejay Strings. Gentlemen. One more. We are ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, somebody say another one. Somebody say another pressure. Say another talent. Who is that man? So the CJ, come on. On your way. Gentlemen, I solo now. Bianco. Under this solo, no voice. Just guitar against. You go here, but me go here, you back. Guitar against. Talk to that. That one enter. Are you enjoying the vibe? Are you enjoying the vibe? Are you enjoying the vibe? here.